Looking for the best spin mop in 2026? Then don't buy one just yet. We tested the most popular models from O-Cedar, Michao, True and Tidy, Libman, and Leifheit, and believe it or not, the most expensive one didn't take the #1 spot. So which spin mop offers the best cleaning performance, the easiest wringing system, and the best value for your money? Stick around until the end because our top pick might surprise you. Hello guys, welcome back to Best Zone. Today's video is all about the top 5 best spin mops in 2026. After extensive research, product comparisons, expert reviews, and thousands of customer ratings, I've put together a list of the 5 best spin mops for every type of home and budget. Whether you're looking for a premium spin mop with a clean and dirty water system, a lightweight model for everyday cleaning, or simply the best value for your money, this list has something for everyone. In today's countdown, we'll be covering the Leifheit Clean Twist Spin Mop, Libman Lightning Spin Mop, True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop, Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe, and our #1 pick, the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. I've included links to all of these products in the description below so you can check the latest prices, deals, and availability. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Best Zone, and hit the notification bell. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the top 5 best spin mops of 2026. Number 5, the Leifheit Clean Twist Spin Mop. The Leifheit Clean Twist Spin Mop and Bucket set is designed for anyone who wants a more comfortable way to clean hard floors. Instead of using foot pedals or electric parts, it features a patented spin dry system built into the telescopic handle. That means less effort, cleaner hands, and a more enjoyable cleaning experience from start to finish. The standout feature is the hands-free spin technology. Just push and twist the handle to wring out the mop without bending down or touching dirty water. This helps save time and keeps the cleaning process much more hygienic. Another great advantage is the adjustable telescopic handle. It extends from 42.9 to 55.1 inches, allowing users of different heights to clean comfortably. It also makes reaching under furniture much easier, reducing strain on your back. The dual-fiber Micro Duo mop head is designed to pick up dust, pet hair, and everyday dirt while absorbing moisture effectively. It works well on wood, tile, vinyl, and laminate floors, leaving surfaces looking clean without excessive streaks. The 6-liter bucket adds even more convenience with smooth rolling wheels, a splash-resistant design, an integrated handle, and a wide pour lip for easy emptying. You spend less energy carrying heavy water and more time actually cleaning. Finally, the 360-degree swivel joint allows the mop head to lie flat, making it simple to reach under sofas, beds, and into tight corners where dirt usually collects. In everyday use, this mop delivers a comfortable and efficient cleaning experience. It's especially suitable for busy households, families, pet owners, and anyone who wants an easier alternative to traditional mops. The manual spin system keeps the design simple while still providing effective moisture control. If comfort, convenience, and practical design matter most, the Leifheit Clean Twist Spin Mop and Bucket set is a solid choice. Its manual spin system, flexible mop head, and user-friendly bucket make everyday floor cleaning much less of a chore. Number 4, the Libman Lightning Spin Mop. The Libman Lightning Spin Mop System Plus is an all-in-one floor cleaning solution designed for everyday homes. It combines a spin mop, a 2-gallon bucket with a built-in wringer, and 4 microfiber mop heads, giving you everything you need to tackle regular floor cleaning without the usual mess. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to clean hardwood, tile, or other sealed floors, this system is worth a closer look. One of its biggest highlights is the hands-free spin technology. Simply unlock the handle and press it into the spinning chamber to remove excess water. The harder you push, the drier the mop becomes, making it easy to control moisture for different floor types. Another standout feature is the 4 included microfiber mop heads. Since the heads are replaceable, you can quickly swap in a fresh one whenever needed. With normal use, the included refills can last about a year, helping reduce replacement costs. The improved bucket holds up to 2 gallons of water and includes a convenient pour spout for easy emptying. Its sturdy handle is also designed to reduce water sloshing while carrying the bucket around the house. Cleaning the mop heads is simple too. They can be washed by hand or in a washing machine using warm, soapy water, making maintenance easy after every cleaning session. In everyday use, the Libman Lightning Spin Mop System delivers a smooth and convenient cleaning experience. The adjustable water removal helps prevent overly wet floors, while the microfiber head effectively picks up dust and everyday dirt. It's best suited for homeowners or anyone who cleans frequently and wants a reusable, easy-to-maintain system. Compared with basic mop and bucket sets, this system offers greater convenience and less mess. If you want an easy-to-use spin mop with reusable cleaning heads and thoughtful design, the Libman Lightning Spin Mop System Plus is a solid choice. Number 3, the True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop. The True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System is designed to make floor cleaning easier, faster, and cleaner. Instead of reusing dirty water, its dual-compartment bucket separates fresh water from used water, helping you achieve better cleaning results with less effort. Combined with a 360-degree swivel mop head and a self-cleaning bucket design, it's built for everyday convenience. The biggest highlight is the dual-compartment bucket. Clean water stays separate from dirty water, so you're always mopping with fresh water instead of spreading dirt around your home. Another standout feature is the 360-degree swivel square mop head. It easily reaches corners, slides under furniture, and cleans tight spaces where traditional round mops often struggle. The built-in scrubbing brush inside the bucket automatically cleans the microfiber pad during every spin. This reduces the amount of dirt left on the mop and saves you from touching messy mop heads by hand. Refilling the bucket is also simple thanks to the convenient side water inlet. You can add fresh water quickly without opening the entire bucket, making the cleaning process smoother and reducing accidental spills. Finally, the stainless steel handle and reusable microfiber pads add long-term value. The sturdy handle feels durable, while the machine-washable pads provide excellent absorption for both wet and dry cleaning. In everyday use, this mop system feels practical and easy to maneuver. The swivel head helps clean around furniture with minimal effort, and the self-cleaning design keeps the mop fresher throughout the job. It's an excellent choice for homeowners, apartment dwellers, and anyone looking for a cleaner, more convenient mopping experience. If you want a spin mop that focuses on cleaner floors and everyday convenience, the True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System is a solid option. Its thoughtful design helps save time while making routine cleaning more effective. Number 2, the Michao Spin Mop. The Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe 360 Spinning Floor Cleaning System is designed for anyone who wants a more convenient way to clean hard floors. With a durable stainless steel construction, an adjustable 62-inch handle, and 6 microfiber replacement heads included, it offers a practical cleaning solution that can last for years without frequent replacement purchases. One of the biggest highlights is the hand-powered spinning system. Instead of relying on a foot pedal, the bucket delivers stronger wringing performance, helping the mop head come out much drier. That means quicker drying floors, less effort, and fewer moving parts that could wear out over time. Another standout feature is the patented one-finger mop cleaning design. It makes spinning and cleaning the mop simple, reducing the effort needed during long cleaning sessions. The telescoping handle extends up to 62 inches, making it comfortable for users of different heights. You can clean large areas without constantly bending over, which helps reduce back strain during everyday household chores. Mobility is another advantage. The bucket includes 4 wheels, a pull handle, and a carry handle, making it much easier to move around the house, especially when it's filled with water. It also comes with a floor brush for tackling dirtier surfaces. Finally, the package includes 6 microfiber replacement mop heads. These highly absorbent refills work well on laminate, hardwood, tile, glass, and other sealed hard floors, helping you save money by reducing the need for replacement heads for a long time. In everyday use, the Michao Spin Mop performs well for routine household cleaning. The drier mop head leaves less water behind, while the lightweight spinning action makes cleaning less physically demanding. It's an excellent choice for families, seniors, or anyone cleaning large floor areas regularly. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use spin mop that focuses on convenience, comfort, and long-term value, the Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe is definitely worth considering. It offers thoughtful features that simplify everyday cleaning without adding unnecessary complexity. Number 1, the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System has become a popular choice for homeowners looking for a simple and effective way to keep hard floors spotless. Instead of relying on harsh cleaning chemicals, it uses millions of microfiber strands to lift dirt and grime using just water. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl flooring, this system is designed to make everyday floor care more convenient. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in hands-free wringer. You simply press the foot pedal to spin out excess water, keeping your hands clean while giving you better control over how damp the mop head is. The built-in splash guard also helps keep water inside the bucket, reducing spills while wringing or carrying it between rooms. Another standout feature is the advanced microfiber mop head. It traps dust, dirt, and grime effectively with plain water, making it a great option for households that want to reduce the use of cleaning chemicals. The patented triangular mop head rotates 360 degrees, allowing it to reach tight corners, along baseboards, under furniture, and between tiles. Those hard-to-reach areas become much easier to clean. The reusable microfiber refill is machine washable, making maintenance simple. Each refill is designed to last up to 3 months under normal use, helping reduce replacement costs over time. In everyday use, the EasyWring system feels lightweight, easy to maneuver, and efficient. The adjustable moisture level helps protect finished hardwood while still providing enough cleaning power for tougher messes on tile and laminate. It's an excellent choice for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants quicker floor cleaning with less effort. Overall, the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop delivers a practical combination of convenience, cleaning performance, and long-term value. If you want an efficient spin mop that works well across multiple hard floor surfaces, it's definitely worth considering. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best spin mops of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect spin mop for your home and budget. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which spin mop is your favorite or if you've used any of the products on this list. We'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Best Zone and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews, buying guides, and top 5 recommendations. If you're interested in more home cleaning products, kitchen appliances, and the best Amazon finds, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, all product links are available in the description below if you'd like to learn more or check the latest prices. Thanks again for watching Best Zone. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.